Hi, MasterStudy user. Your MasterStudy course says this student finished the lesson. But did they actually watch the video? Or did they just click a button? MasterStudy tracks completion. It doesn't track truth. You can't see where students stop watching. You can't see what they replay. You can't tell a fully engaged learner from someone who skipped straight to mark as complete. That blind spot costs you better content, fair certification, and real proof your training works. Meet MasterStudy Video Analytics, the missing engagement layer for MasterStudy. Install it once, and every lesson video starts reporting real watch behavior automatically. Let me show you exactly how easy this is to set up. First, go to Plugins and click Add New Plugins, and upload MasterStudy Video Analytics zip file and click Activate. That's it. No configuration files, no database setup. The plugin creates everything it needs automatically. That's it. No configuration files, no database setup. The plugin creates everything it needs automatically. In your left sidebar, you'll now see a new menu, Video Analytics. It has 3 sections, by video, by student, and settings. Let's start with settings so your reporting matches how you teach. Click Video Analytics and click Settings. Here's what you control. 1. Enable completion gating. Leave this off at first. That's observe-only mode. You collect data with zero risk to your student's experience. 2. Watch threshold. Once you're ready, set the percentage of the video students must watch, for example, 90%. 3. Strict attention mode. Keep this on. It only counts watch time while the tab is visible and the video is actually playing. So numbers reflect real attention, not a pause tab left open. 4. Track logged out visitors. Leave off unless you specifically need anonymous tracking. 5. Curve resolution. Controls how detailed your retention chart looks. The default works for most videos. Click Save Settings. Now, simply let students use your course as normal. Every time someone watches a lesson video, YouTube, Vimeo, or self-hosted, Video Analytics is quietly recording his activities in the background. No extra steps for your students. Let us start with Course-Wise Report. For this, go to Video Analytics and select By Video. Select a course, then a lesson. You'll immediately see total viewers and average watch percentage. The audience retention curve, watch where the line drops. Rewatch hotspots highlighted directly on the chart. A full student breakdown table below with a one-click export CSV button. Now let us explore the report about student activities. Go to Video Analytics and select By Student. Pick a course to see your full roster, including students who haven't watched anything yet, so nobody's invisible. Click into any student to see their watch heat map, completion status, and a timeline of every play, pause, and skip. It's the clearest picture you'll ever get of one learner's engagement. Once you trust your baseline numbers, go back to Settings, enable completion gating, and save. From that moment, students can only mark a video lesson complete after they've genuinely watched your required percentage, enforced on the server so it can't be bypassed from the browser. And don't worry, if a lesson has no tracking data yet, the gate automatically stays open so nobody gets locked out by accident. 5 minutes of setup, zero disruption to your students, and from that point on, every lesson video tells you the truth. Get MasterStudy Video Analytics plugin today and turn video activity into insight, accountability, and better learning outcomes.